Hello students, we are doing chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equation. Any equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b is not equal to 0, we will call such type of equation linear equation in two variable, because here we have two unknown variable x and y. These two we have to find out. So to find out the value of x and y two variable, we need at least two equation here. So such type of two equation set we will call as simultaneous linear equation. We have different method to solve such type of equation. First exercise is based on substitution method. From name only you can guess, substitution means we have to substitute the value. So first, with the help of first equation or second equation, we will take any one variable value and we will substitute in the another equation. So here we have x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4, two equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1 we can take x is equal to 14 minus y. We can shift this y here, or you can shift x also another side. Any one we have to substitute. So x is equal to 14 minus y, substituting in equation 2. So equation 2 we have x minus y equal to 4. In place of x we will substitute 14 minus y equal to 4. So 14 minus y will become minus 2y equal to 4. 14 also we can shift another side, 4 minus 14. So minus 2y equal to minus 10. Minus we can cancel out from both the side. So 2y is equal to 10 and y value is equal to 10 by 2 means 5. So we got here y value. Now this y value we can put in any equation 1 or 2, we will get the x value also. Therefore, substituting y equal to 5 in equation 1, x plus 5 equal to 14. So x value will be 14 minus 5 equal to 9. So here we have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is our answer. Next we have first question second part, s minus t equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So we have two equation, this is first and this is second. So always choose the easy substitution. We can take here s equal to 3 plus t. If you take from the second equation, then it will be difficult because you have here fraction. So from the first equation, from equation 1 we can take s is equal to 3 plus t. This t shift another side, it will become plus t. Substituting in equation 2, s is 3 plus t. So in place of s we will write 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. We can take LCM here and we can eliminate this 3 by 2. So LCM is 6, 2 into 3 plus t and 3t equal to 6. So this 6 we can shift here and this bracket we can open. 2 into 3 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal to 36. So 2t plus 3t will become 5t and 6 we can shift here, it will go for subtraction. 5t is equal to 30. So t value is 30 by 5, 6. Now this t value we can substitute in for equation 1. T equal to 6 in equation 1, we will get s minus 6 equal to 3. So s is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. So we got here s value is 9 and t value is 6. Next, first question, third part, 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and 3x plus 4y equal to 5. So, from first equation we can take value of x or y any one. From equation 1 we can take 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y, or x is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. This 2 also we have to shift here. This value we will substitute in equation 2. So, 3 in place of x we will write 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y equal to 5. So, we can multiply here 9 3 27 minus 9y by 2 plus 4y equal to 5. LCM will be 2 here, here and everywhere, we can multiply with 2. 2 into 27 minus 9y by 2, 2 into 4y and 2 into 5. So, this 2 will cancel out. 27 minus 9y plus 8y equal to 10. Minus 9 plus 8 will be minus y, and 27 we can shift here minus 27. So, minus y is equal to minus 17, it means y is equal to 17. Now, this y value we can substitute here, or in equation we will get x value. So, substituting x value, y value, y equal to 17 in equation 1. This we got from equation 1, x is equal to 9 minus 3 into 17 by 2. 17 3 51 by 2, 51 minus 9 will get minus 42 by 2, and answer will be minus 21. So, x value is minus 21 and y value is 17. Next, first question, fourth part, 3x minus 5 equal to 4, 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So, from the first equation we will take x is equal to 4 plus 5y, and this 3 will come for division. This we will substitute in the equation 2. So, we have 9 in place of x we will write 4 plus 5y by 3 minus 2y equal to 7. We can cancel with 3, and now this 3 we have to multiply inside. So, 3 4 12 plus 15y minus 2y equal to 7. 15 minus 2 is 13y, and this 12 we can shift another side. So, 13y equal to minus 5. So, y value will be minus 5 by 13. This value we will substitute again in equation 1 or 2, we will get x value. So, putting y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1, here we will substitute x is equal to 4 plus 5 into minus 5 by 13 divided by 3. So, 4 minus 25 by 13 by 3 can take LCM. 52 minus 25 by 13, this 3 also will come with 13 only. So, 52 minus 25 will be 27 by 13 into 3. So, we can cancel 3 9s, 9 by 13 is x value. So, x is 9 by 13 and y is minus 5 by 13. Next, question number 2, first part, a plus 3b equal to 5, 7a minus 8b equal to 6. So, from the equation 1 we can take a is equal to 5 plus 3b, that we will substitute in equation 2. So, 7 5 minus 3b, in place of a we will substitute this value, minus 8b equal to 6. So, 7 5 35 minus 21b minus 8b equal to 6. 21 and 8, it will become minus 29b equal to 6 minus 35. minus 29b is equal to minus 29. So minus to minus we can cancel, b value will be 29 by 29 equal to 1. Now this b value we can substitute here. B equal to 1 in equation 1, we will get a is equal to 5 minus 3b means 1. 5 minus 3 we will get 2. So a value is 2 and b value is 1. This is our answer. Next, question number 2, second part, 5x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 20 equal to 12y. So if we substitute value from the equation 1, we will get fraction 5x equal to 4 minus 4y plus 4 divided by, then this 5 we have to shift, 5 will come in denominator. So now we will take value from the equation 2 because it will be more easy. So from equation 2 we can take x is equal to 12y plus 20. This value we will substitute in equation 1. So from equation 2 taking x value and substituting in equation 1. You can select value from any equation which one you feel easy, and in another equation you have to substitute. So 5 in place of x, 12y plus 20 plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. 12 5 60y plus 100 plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. 60 plus 4 64y plus 96 equal to 0. 64y equal to minus 96. So y equal to minus 96 by 64. You can cancel with 8 table, 8 1 and 2, 8 8, then again 4 3 and 4 2, minus 3 by 2. Now this value you can substitute again here. So substituting y equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 2, x is equal to 12, y means the minus 3 by 2 plus 20. You can cancel out 2 6. So 6 into 3 minus 18 plus 20 is equal to 2. So x value is 2 and y value is minus 3 by 2. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.